Hi everyone, myself Anil BA, pursue my 6th SEM CHE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the HTML. What and all we are going to discuss is introduction of HTML, HTML tools, HTML tags, how to create an HTML document, saving and viewing an HTML document, adding images, special characters, advantages and disadvantages of the HTML. Now, let us discuss about the HTML. HTML is a language for designing a web pages. HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. Most of the web pages are created using the HTML language. HTML is used to create documents on World Wide Web, that is www. It is simply a collection of certain keywords called tags that are helpful in writing the document to be displayed using browser on the internet. It is a platform independent language that can be used on any platform such as Windows, Linux, Macintosh and so on to display a tags, paragraphs, tables and so on of the document with the HTML tags. HTML also provides tags to make the document look attractive using graphics, font size, and colors. Users can make a link to the other documents or a different section of the same document by creating hypertext links, also known as hypertext links. Now let us know about the HTML tools. There are two types of HTML. One is HTML editor and the web browser. Let us discuss about HTML editor. It is a program that one user to create and save HTML documents. They fall into two categories: text based or code based, which allows one to see the HTML code, and one is creating a document, that is Notepad. One is Netscape Composer. Now about web browser. It is a program that are used to view and test the HTML documents. They translate HTML encoded files into a text, image, sounds and other features users see. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape, Chrome are examples of browsers that enables use to view text and images and many more others worldwide website features. They are the software that must be installed on a user computer. What are the essential tags that are required to create an HTML document like HTML, head, body, title and so on? Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, HTML tag. The HTML tag encloses all other HTML tags and associated text with your documents. It is an optional tag. You can create an HTML document that omits these tags and your browser can still read it and display it, but is always a good form to include the start and stop tags that format is. Most of the HTML tags have two parts, an opening tag and closing tag. The closing tag is the same as the opening tag except the slash. The slash mark is only always used in the closing tag. The HTML document has two distinct parts, that is head and body. What is head tag? Head tag comes after the HTML start tag. It contains title tag to give the document a title that displays on the browser title bar at the top. The format is head followed by title and your title goes here, title and head. What is body tag? The body tag contains all the text and graphics of the document with the all HTML tags that are used for control and formatting of the pages. The HTML documents web pages can be created using the text editor, Notepad or WordPad. Here is how to create and save the HTML program. The first step is to open editor like Notepad, and we need to follow the steps. Step 2 is to write the code which are provided. Step 3 is to save the file as name.html. So it should be formed in the form of HTML. Once you save the notepad file as HTML on the desktop, it will show as the icon. Whenever you click on the icon, it will directly show you the output there itself. That it should be showed later in the video. There are some most common character formatting tags that are boldface used to display in the bold, and italics which displays the text in italic, subscript display the text in subscript small, displays text in small font as compared to the normal font, and the one is big, displays text in large font as compared to the normal font, and the last one is underline, specifies that the enclosed text must be underlined. Now this is one of the example of HTML program. The output is displayed. Next we are discussing about paragraph formatting tag. Paragraph level formatting applies to formatting of an entire portion of the text, unlike characters level tags where only individual letters or words are formatted. The most common paragraph formatting tags are like paragraph, line break tags, and formatted text tag. Discuss one by one. First, the paragraph tag. This paragraph tag. This tag indicates a paragraph used to separate two paragraphs with a blank line. Line break tag. An empty tag is used where the text need to be start from a new line and not continue on the same line. To get every sentences on new line, it is necessary to use line break. Pre-formatted text tag. These are tags can be used where it requires total control over space in and line breaks, such as typing a poem. Browser preserves your space and line break in the text writer inside the tag. And this is the one of the program which contains all the tags like paragraph tag, line breaker, and pre-formatted text tag. So you can see the output. Now discuss about the what are the advantages and disadvantages of HTML. Let's go with advantages. It is used to is it is supported on almost every browsers. It is widely used. It is similar to XML syntax, which is increasingly used for data storage. It is free of cost and it is easy to learn and code even for non-programmers. Advantage of HTML. It can't produce dynamic output alone since it is a static language. Sometimes the structuring of HTML documents is harder to grasp. You have to keep up with descriptor tags and make sure not to use them. Descriptor tag appears because another language that works with HTML has replaced the original work of the tag. Let's see how to add images using HTML. Open Notepad and I have already copied the code and I have used all HTML tag like HTML, head, body, title, and so on. Firstly, we need to save the file as name.html. After saving, save it and let's see how it work. So I can and it will show the content whatever I have written in the code. That is welcome to my web pages, home, about, content, and my article, that is a paragraph of a text, that is another paragraph of text, item 1, item 2, item 3, and I have inserted image, that is here is an image, and I have